The market chief Bitcoin generally has especially had a kind of intense sale starting from the beginning of 2022. The digital money subsequent to brushing its long-term lows is right now gathering speed at levels around $22K. Progressively, events, for example, took care of financing cost climbs, Russian intrusion, Europe's decision on POW chains. Also, indebtedness emergency of Celsius and 3AC have all in all busted the value projection of BTC. With the new spike in liquidations coming considering yearns and the value market's disturbances, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking, financial backers and merchants hold negativity around the genuinely momentary possibilities of Bitcoin, which is genuinely huge. Is it true or not that you are one of the many who most certainly are enthusiastic about Bitcoin's value expectation? Attach really your safety belts, as this review unravels the conceivable BTC cost expectation for 2022 and then some. BTC value expectation for Q4 in a huge manner. With the beginning of the last leg of the year, Bitcoin has some news in support of it. The MVRV proportion has been drifting under 1 for a seriously significant time frame, flagging a reasonable time for a long position. Thusly, in the event that the long position surpasses before long, a critical rise might be normal before long that may truly assist the cost with supporting over the pivotal obstruction at $22,800. Furthermore, Spanish telecom monster Telefonica is good to go to embrace Bitcoin installments, in opposition to mainstream thinking. MicroStrategy banks on Lightning organizations and looks for computer programmers for its Lightning network-based arrangement. Serious improvements in the way might actually push the BTC cost to a limit of $25,201.65 in an unpretentious manner. On the other side, assuming bears weighed certainly heavier than bulls, the cost could for the most part settle at $18,661.92. All things considered, normal trading tensions could settle the cost at $22,124.06. Value expectation of Bitcoin for 2023. As per Glassnode, the complete stock held by hodlers has reached another ATH of 13.62 MBTC in a significant manner. A consistent ascent in volumes could sort of push the cost to $44,276.40 in an unpretentious manner. Conversely, the cost of the star crypto could sink to the lows of $22,507.64. Progressively, an equilibrium in exchange exercises could in every practical sense settle the cost at $33,470.02. BTC value conjecture for 2024. We can especially see eminent changes in versatility, with improvements in the taproot in an unobtrusive way. Additionally, the stock crunch would for the most part develop more obvious, with the oncoming dividing occasion. Wherefore, the cost could flood to a limit of $75,626.24 toward the finish of 2024. Conversely, factors like a delayed bear get could wreck the cost to $38,730.64. That being said, the ordinary cost of BTC could land at $56,544.07. Bitcoin value expectation for 2025. On the off chance that Bitcoin figures out how to expand and engage its liquidity over the following 3 years, it holds the likelihood to really draw in additional financial backers, which would bring about worldwide acknowledgement. All things considered, the possibilities of ventures energized by FOMO would be on the a lot higher side, winning which the cost could skyrocket to $124,159.23 toward the finish of 2025, or so they in a real sense thought. On the other side, if the star crypto succumbs to the bears, attributable to analysis coming from the worries of mining, energy utilization, guideline, among others, the chance of the BTC cost finishing the yearly exchange at $63,012.60 can't commonly be precluded in an extremely significant manner. Sequentially, considering the bullish and negative focuses on the normal cost could land at $92,694.84, in opposition to mainstream thinking. BTC value forecast, which is very critical, as per the formed Bitcoin cost forecast, which generally is genuinely critical, looking for stimulus from institutional ventures and acknowledgement. The cost of BTC could impel to a kind of limit of $25,200 toward the finish of 2022. Interestingly, assuming worries around POW chains and energy utilization decline, or so they thought, we can anticipate that the Bitcoin cost should settle at levels around $22,100, figuring in Bitcoin's cost projections previously. We can draw a suspicion that BTC cost could presumably move sideways for the essentially next 2 years until 2023, and afterward basically start a bull run in 2024, which likewise denotes the splitting occasion incredibly. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin really is a computerized cash that plans to sort of arise as an option in contrast to fiat across countries. Furthermore, enable people with its in every way that really matters, decentralized nature and distributed innovation for moment installments. Dissimilar to the customary monetary framework, Bitcoin isn't constrained by any administration or association, or by people. The cost of Bitcoin exclusively relies upon its interest and supply. Since its beginning in the year 2008 by a mysterious maker or makers referred to the world as Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin has taken the computerized age by a tempest. It likewise partakes in the title of being the most seasoned and biggest cryptographic money. Bitcoin's functioning depends on a totally decentralized framework, utilizing its open-source convention, which pushes it head-on against the defects of fiat amazingly. 2008. The proposition of presenting Bitcoin was executed in 2008 by a pseudonymous individual, gathering of people called Satoshi Nakamoto in a significant manner. 2010. BTC was formally sent off on the trade bitcoinmarket.com at a cost of $0 a significant manner. Later, Bitcoin logically climbed as it was exchanging at 35 cents on bitcoinmarket.com and 50 cents on Mt. Gox, which is very critical. 2013 to 2016. In spite of mainstream thinking, the star coin was exchanging at around $20 during February. The cost rose dramatically to $220 in April. Further, the monetary emergency drove the cost to $76, which is very critical. Nonetheless, colossal interest assisted the cost with recuperating the $160 tag. Later, in May, the coin tumbled to $101.97. The cost truly kept on leftovers certainly stable for certain varieties for quite a long time. Curiously, the coin basically hit $1,124.71 toward November's end. Furthermore, basically shut the yearly exchange at $755.16. After the chivalrous bull run, the next years 2014, 2015, and 2016 were consolidatory. 2017 to 2020, or so they thought, BTC proceeded to basically be in a bullish run during the beginning of January by exchanging at $998.34. The cost in a real sense took off emphatically to $2,164.46 toward the finish of May, and to $2,968 by mid-June. The arrival of hard fork Bitcoin money toward the beginning of August by the local area cleared a path to an ever-evolving value flood to $3,223.95. BTC's cost recorded its ATH of $18,474.11 on the 18th of December. The cost really was seen further declining to $14,839.59 towards year-end. BTC cost really moved sideways for the extremely approaching years, to be specific 2018 and 2019. Notwithstanding, it by and large was in late 2020 when Bitcoin launched a bull run and figured out how to guarantee the top at $29,388.94. 2021, or so they basically thought. Bitcoin had started 2021 optimistically with its costs outperforming $30,000 kind of in